The third type of operation we're going to look at is going to be adding rational functions. Now, I want to quickly talk about your lowest common denominator or your least common denominator. In this example, we said our least or lowest common denominator was 6x squared y. Now, what you can do, well, we'll do an example. Remember, n and m are still not 0. You still want to factor every polynomial if possible. You want to find the LCD of both functions. Write each part of the new function using your LCD, and then you want to add your numerators together. So, the way I find common denominators, now they may not be common, but you'll never get it wrong. And because I can say that, this is how I suggest doing it. You just multiply both your denominators by each other. Okay. So that's my common denominator. What you then do is multiply your numerators by the opposite denominator. So I'll have 7n times n minus 7. Then I'll have 8 times n plus 1. In the right one, I'll have 8n plus 8. From here, remember, we're adding, so we're going to add these, divide it by the common denominator we just found. And then from here, we have or find and perform operations on like terms. So 7n squared is by itself. Negative 49 plus 8 is negative 41. And then plus 8 is just plus 8. All over n squared minus 6n minus 7. Again, I'll do it one more time. Find common denominators by multiplying the bottom. Again, I still use box method. I just did it really fast. I'm going to multiply the 2 by n plus 1. Multiply the 4 by n plus 8. Then I have 2n plus 2 plus 4n plus 32 all over n squared plus 9n plus 8. Again, find your common terms and then perform your operation, which is addition. So 2 plus 4 is 6. N 2 plus is plus 34 over n squared plus 9n plus 8. Again, with this being an operation, take what we're given. Put it in Desmos. type your answer choice in Desmos. I don't care how the graphs look. What I care about is that the graphs overlap. If the graphs overlap, you perform the operations correctly. If I've lost you, that's okay. Because you can do graphs overlap. Type what you're given, type your answer choice. If the answer choice does not overlap, say, for example, those are not the same, I would mark it off. I then type my next answer choice. Say it was +8 versus +1. This makes the graphs overlap, therefore I know that is my answer.